It's such a beautiful day here in Bali today, guys.
I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Hello world, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I hope so you're keeping well. It's beautiful day here in Bali today, as I mentioned at the beginning. Beautiful morning, it's 7:30 at morning. I'm in Sanur, just at the front of the Lila Pantai. Why not? I'm gonna come here at morning because Sanurs at morning are so beautiful in general. Quite many people everywhere around, locals preparing their own businesses. Also some locals here having a breakfast already just behind me. So why not? And also there is few news, interesting informations regarding coming to Bali for some of you guys, so enjoy today's vlog. And also I will fly drone later on. So another good news, guys, is there is another list of countries who are qualified for visa on arrival, and this list includes a few European countries including Poland, Denmark, Belgium, Spain and few others. Also India and China. India and China, there is the huge market for Bali, by the way. Usually they coming with the huge groups, but also so many Indian brothers and sisters and everyone coming, so that may be some improvement in upcoming weeks, guys. Meanwhile, a little bit of life here in Bali, in Sanur at morning. Somebody having a coconut here, breakfast. This is one of the restaurants, it's called Nelayan, something like that. Heading now to Lila and the area over here. It's really beautiful here at morning and the sun is perfect for filming. Also Sanur is the only one place in Bali where you have a proper jogging track and a cycling track like this one, the promenade by the ocean. Well, the only one place actually, which is now is very nice, wide. To surprise, Lila is quiet a little bit. There is the waiter. I used to be here during the beginning of 2020 when everything else was closed. As you see, some people jogging. Of course, during the weekend, especially if you will come here at Saturday morning, they will be super busy. I mean, like extremely busy. During the weekdays, just regular one, but still not many newcomer, I believe. Let's see how it's gonna be in upcoming weeks and days. Yo, what's up, doggo? Here is the Coco Bistro in Sanur. Still closed, but afternoon they are open and they have a beautiful pizza here. Great pizza, and I have actually great pizza, guys. Great pizza for affordable price. However, this is not endorsement for anyone. This restaurant here is still closed. In general, this restaurant is closed. They never open again. I'm gonna go there. There's Hyatt direction. Meanwhile, I wanna show you the beautiful beach. How does it look around? And also very important information. The news, the officials officially said as the first week of visa on arrival, there was about 1,500 visitors from all around the world, and from these 23 countries who was eligible to come on visa on arrival. Oh, I will have to like this. So there was 23 countries, 25, and there was 1,500 people, 1,472 to be exact, in 1 week up to 17th of March arrive. So not so many. However, the top 5 countries was Australia, United States, Holland, and somebody else. UK number 5, and I don't remember who was number 8. Germany, I think. Yeah, 1,500, maybe not so much. This is the La Playa. Right now it's already few days later than the report, so maybe there is already like around 2,000 people arrive, but still not that much. The 2,000 people is still not that much, as you could see such a huge difference on the street. It's already, you can actually feel a little bit different, as we were yesterday in Ubud, and everything was actually looking pretty nice, but still not that 100%. Like, but for example, this guy, I think he is already new. So there is. Okay, approaching to Hyatt Regency.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.
Can you spot a beautiful Mount Agung over there at the front? There are boats, the beach next to Hyatt Regency, and this is Hyatt Regency Hotel. They have a breakfast right now. Some people actually is not as that busy as I was thinking, as I was, I could say, expecting. Especially as this hotel is on the list of these hotels approved by the government where you could come here. Also, guys, still so many of you asking, because it's quite hard to understand. Basically, if you coming to Bali and you want to come on visa on arrival because you are eligible to these countries, you have to book one approved hotel. For example, this Hyatt, what is here, or many others, what we shared the link to the website last time, and you need to stay there for 3 nights. However, when you arrive, they're gonna make you another test on arrival in the airport, and then you're just waiting for the result. And if the result is negative, you can go wherever you like around Bali. You can go to the beach here, or you can go to Canggu, or you can go to Lovina even. You just need to come back on the day 3 for another test. So it's not like as you have to stay in the hotel all 3 days, as you, well, you don't need to quarantine in the room, but you have to be in the hotel area, like in the pools, and that's it. No, you can go wherever you like in Bali, but well, not like you cannot go to other islands of Indonesia, and obviously you have to come back on the day 3 for another test. I hope so. That's kind of simple to explain. And what I mean, my beautiful beach, guys, but not that busy as I was hoping as it's gonna be, and it's going to be very hot, by the way. It's 7:40 in the morning.
A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story.
Alright, guys, I hope so you enjoyed today. Quick shot from Sanur. Also flew my drone a little bit, so I hope so you enjoyed the extra bonus shots today. Beautiful weather, that's for sure. Situation getting better and better, however, still needs a little bit time. And meanwhile, I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care, guys.